In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is overflowing and you want a clean slate, I'll walk you through a simple, safe way to clear it using a web browser. We'll sign in, select your messages, and delete them in just a few clicks, with a couple of helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. This takes you to the Yahoo homepage. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the sign in button. Click it to begin the login process. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Yahoo account. Depending on your setup, you might enter your email and password or complete verification such as a code. Take your time and make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage more than one. After you submit your details, wait a moment while Yahoo signs you in and loads your account dashboard. Once you're signed in, click Mail at the top to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. You should now see your list of messages. At the very top of the message list, on the left, there's a small checkbox, often called the Select All box. Click that checkbox. This selects all the emails currently visible in your inbox. If you have a large number of emails, Yahoo may show only a portion per page. Selecting the small box will grab everything on the screen, and sometimes you may see an option to select all conversations in the inbox. Use it if it appears and you want to include everything. If it doesn't appear, you can still proceed and repeat this process on additional pages as needed. With your email selected, click the delete button, usually found above the message list. Yahoo may prompt you to confirm. Choose delete to proceed. The messages you selected will be removed from your inbox and moved to the trash folder. This is helpful because if you deleted something by mistake, you can usually restore it from trash for a limited time. Just keep in mind that trash is cleared automatically after a retention period, so double check before you delete. That's it. You've cleaned out your Yahoo Mail inbox quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get organized and back to a clutter-free mailbox.